Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today we'll be looking at the MacAllister MSP750 adjustable planer. Now this is cheap and cheerful, okay? This is ideal for door frames and light work really. That's the only reason I got it really, was just to trim up some door frames and knit the bottoms off some doors. So we'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out for yourselves anyway. So what we'll do is we'll take a look over the specifications, do a few demonstrations and do some final thoughts at the end as always. So what do you get with this? Well, you get a nice little accessory kit here. I think you get a spare belt, a nice little guide which I will not use, so that's irrelevant to me. The downside is you don't get a bag or a box. It just comes in the product box what you buy it in, which again reflects the price, right? So let's take a look over it and see what we think. Taking a look at the specifications, we've got a power output of 750 watts, the no load speed of 17,000 RPM, a planing depth of 0 to 2 millimeters, the planing width of 82 millimeters, the voltage is of course 240 volts, the blade type is a wood razor blade system and it has one chamfer groove. It has a dust extraction facility and that is to the right. The cooling type is fan cooled. The cable length is 3 meters. The weight is 2.8 kilograms and of course it comes with the box. The safety feature is an auto spark safety feature. It has a trigger switch, soft grip handle. Now the downside to this cheap planer is the fact that it has quite expensive replacement blades. As you can see, even on rough sawn wood it performs very well even with just one swipe. So you know what guys, all in all, it's not a bad little piece of kit. It's okay for light works and as you saw on the rough sawn bit of wood, it does a pretty good job up to 2 millimeters. So for the sake of 50 quid, I think it's worth it for the, the average DIYer. So thank you very much for joining me guys, make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, I'll see you on the next video.